That's not the symbols written only in note heads. When you're writing music, the note head, the circle part, describes the pitch, and then the straight line parts describe the rhythm. And since we're just talking about the do pentatonic scale, all we really need is the pitch. Look, there are do, re, mi, sol, and la on the staff, and above them is the tone stairs to show you how they relate. So between do, re, and mi, it's steps. Between mi and sol is a skip, and between sol and la is a step. Oh, and look, there it is, the tone stair. Each note is pointing to its note on the staff. And so your job today is going to be to write some note heads on the staff. Sometimes the note head is on the line, and sometimes it's between two lines. We call it in the space. So between do and re is a step, line to space. Between re and mi is a step, space to line. Between mi and sol is a skip, line to line. And between sol and la is a step, line to space. Now, let's sing Knock the Cymbals, but on solfege syllables. Starts on do. 1, 2, ready, sing. Do, mi, sol, mi, 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 mi. Do, mi, sol, mi, re, do, mi, sol, mi, 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 mi. La, sol, mi, do. Phrase 4 has almost all 5 notes in the pentatonic scale. So that's going to be your assessment today. If you were given just the letters, could you write the note heads as long as you know where do is? Ooh, I think you can. At the end of this video, either click or touch next, or just select the blue puzzle piece. Pick a color. Then, using your mouse or finger, write only the note heads on the staff over each note's letter. Use the tone stairs to help you. Do is provided at the end. Start attempt. All right, so there are the tone stairs. They show me the steps and the skips. And then down here, okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at do, because I don't have to go from beginning to end. It just matters that I get the note heads on there. Between do and mi is a skip. I can tell because I'm looking here. And so between do and mi is a skip. I'm going to choose navy blue. If do's on the second line, then mi is a skip above it. It's on the third line. Just the note head. And you know, that looks pretty good. All right, between mi and sol is also a skip. So sol would be on the line above. Looking good. That's really messy, but you can tell it's on the line. And then between sol and la is a step. So I'd write la in the space. That's a step higher. And then, of course, the other la would be the same. All right. So when you do it, make sure you're checking back and forth between the tone stairs. And once you feel like you've got la, la, sol, mi, do written in note heads, you touch review and finish. And yes. And then you're going to have to wait for your teacher to grade this, because Schoology cannot possibly know how good you are at writing the notes in the pentatonic scale.